Hi everyone, I'm Transverses at the Foundry of Ideas. In this video I'll show you how to level up your skills and your creativity. So, let's get started. Welcome to my video, which is about constructing a mobile base for my table saw. In the beginning you saw me marking the boards which I'm going to use in the building of this project. My table saw is a DeWALT DWE7485-GB and I have already made a video as a review of this piece of equipment. These two are going to be the baseboards on which I'm going to erect the uprights. And to make life a little bit easier, I have prepared a template, a small template, which shows me the dimensions of the boards, number one, and number two, I have already opened up holes here to show where I can place my screws. So first of all, I'm going to mark the positions of the screws. So the uprights are going to be fitted with pocket holes because it'll make life easier at the top end of the upright. This is the upright, and as I'm lowering the camera you will see where it is landing on the baseboard. As you can see, I have already mounted the upright on my pocket hole jig, and I have adjusted the length of the drill bit. So here we go. Here I have used the template I mentioned earlier so that I can position where I want to drill pilot holes. Having drilled the pocket holes here and here, I am now going to use Kreg screws, the 2-inch screws, in order to secure the two legs onto the top capping. Two done and two to go. So now the cap is in position and we have finished one set of legs. So the completed right hand side structure is as you see it here. So now we have finished, as you can see down there, the two upright structures, and the next thing will be to arrange the fitting of this piece of MDF, which is 61 by 61 centimeters square by 18.65 millimeters thick. Basically, I need to cut now the transverses that will hold the two uprights at the right distance from each other, and then we shall proceed to put supports that will take this piece of MDF here. We have now, as you can see, finished with the brace at the front, and we are doing the brace at the back. So now we have to do the upper braces. I have cut the longitudinals that are going to support the base of the table saw, and I have marked where I should be drilling, and now I'll drill these holes and then I shall show you how I fix it on the main structure. I have turned the whole structure on its side, and basically this is going to be the longitudinal brace that is going to hold the MDF base for the table saw. As you can see, I have got both longitudinals fully secured on the main structure, and basically at the moment what remains is for me to do a dry run with the MDF base. Now you can see the finished product, and I must say there is a more than adequate strength to take the weight of the table saw. Now, as you can see, the MDF plate is in position, and this is where the table saw will rest. Okay, as you can see, the whole project is now coming to its final stages. These are the castors I'm going to use, and very kind of them to have provided also a screwdriver. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and all four of them have got a brake. So this is how it is in the locked position, and from what I can feel, the brake is very positive. Right, now let's give it a try. Well, this is really nice because it makes my life very easy in terms of cutting it around. So, as you can see, the table saw is in position, and let me just move it. Oh yeah, very nice. I will pronounce this project a success, and the last thing that I will do is, as you can see down here, 1, 2, and the same thing at the back, we have got holes. So what I will do is I will drill holes on the MDF, and I will put bolt and nuts, including always washers, so that the table is firm on the station. I will call it station. Once I had placed the table saw in position on top of the mobile station, I looked at it and I thought that it would be a lot better if I could arrange something on the sides, left and right, to take up the shape here and here. So I supplemented the empty spaces with 2 pieces of timber here and here, and basically now everything is square and there are no open spaces here and here so that something may fall in there and so on, let alone the fact that this piece and this piece arrest the top of the table saw from lateral movement. Well, we have reached the end of this particular video, and I wish to say a big thank you to my subscribers as well as to all of my new subscribers. I hope that you found my video interesting, informative and useful. I also hope that it will make your work easier. If you are a newcomer and you liked my video, please do not forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Feel free to contact me at any time. Questions, requests and suggestions are always welcomed. I hope to see you in my next presentation.